I want to show you a couple of quick things. So first, we're going to run BeEF. Note that the API key runs on BeEF startup. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that into my paste buffer. And I'm going to go hook a couple of browsers. Now, I have a script that I have created to show you that you don't need the BeEF GUI to do this anymore. And it's called BeEF API RB. I'm going to run it. It's going to prompt me for my API key. And it's going to give me back information about my online hooked browsers. So I have two. I've got my Macintosh with Safari, and I've got the Windows XP box, which is running Chrome. It's coming back as unknown because of the privacy settings in Chrome. Let's edit that script so you can see a little bit of it. And this is what we just did. This line right here. And then I'm going to comment out the print function because I don't want to see this for the rest of my demo. And I'm going to see what modules I can run by querying BeEF directly. Again, I need to give it my API key. I have to do this every time. And this comes back and tells me all the things that I can run. So in this case, I want to use the petty theft module. So I'm going to comment that out, and I'm going to find out what I can do with petty theft, what options it requires. So it looks like it will take an image as a custom image. I can specify that with my request. So I'm going to go ahead and call petty theft. And here's some of the code that I'm using to do this. I'm pulling out only my online browsers because it will pull anything that's offline as well. I'm going to do a quick if check to get just my Windows one, because I don't actually want to exploit my Mac. And for each one that matches Windows, so I can do selective exploitation, I'm going to run it with my custom options for the petty theft module. I'm going to print out the response that comes back from running to make sure that it ran okay, and then I'm going to grab the command ID from the response and use that to query for a response from my target. So as promised, these are the matching zombies. The response was true, command ID's 9, and that's what I used to query. Here's my hooked browser showing the prompt. And I sent it some information, and I get back my response. So, quick way of doing things using the RESTful API and no need to use the GUI. Hopefully you'll be able to build on this and make some more complex scripts and put in some logic. We'll do some demos later on about possibly using Metasploit to do this. Thank you.